The 2020 stock market crash. How does that compare to the real estate crash coming? Well, that's a very good question that I'm going to talk about today, plus great opportunities in this crash. One thing I want to make sure you guys understand is that the stock market has no correlation to the actual business. So again, the stock market has nothing to do with the actual business. For example, if a business is profitable and they have a great balance sheet, they have great cash flow, right? They have no debt. If their stock goes down 50%, 60%, it has no factor on their success. Their profit margin is still going to be the same. The balance sheet is still going to be the same, etc. Okay, unlike the real estate market. The real estate market is linked to thousands and thousands of small and medium-sized and large businesses, and when the real estate market goes down, it affects the mainstream, the average worker, the average taxi driver. It affects these people directly into their pockets versus the stock market, because like I said, the stock market is decoupled from the reality. That's why I brought to you my YouTube channel. I sounded the alarm for months that the house builders have horrible balance sheets, so much debt for every dollar they bring in, almost 4 or 5 times the amount they bring in. However, their stocks are going up and up, up and up and up. And at the same time, I brought to you when the insiders of these home builders cashed out almost $500 million because I knew it was rigged. Unlike the real estate market, when the real estate market crashes, the average worker, the mainstream, that person, everyone's going to get affected because it's linked to direct companies. When the prices of homes go down, or when credit crunch hits, or when buyers are not lining up to get a mortgage, and besides the phantom loss in people's equities, like what happened in the stock market, but actual jobs are linked to that, from if you're a realtor agent, if you're a home inspector, if you're the contractor, if you're a fix and flipper, if you're Home Depot, if you're Lowe's, if you're any of these roofing companies, sheetrock, you name it, lumber, so many different sectors of the economy is linked to the real estate market, and the real estate market is a real market versus the stock, which is just artificially made, okay? Because the stock can go up and up. It doesn't mean that you have a sound company or this company is profitable or has any factor to it. The stock can go down and the same exact thing, because the stock market has nothing to do with the company. Now it should, but it doesn't, because of buybacks, because of manipulations from the Fed, because of all these different ABC companies from Big Brother and so on. The game is rigged, and it has no relationship, no correlation, it's decoupled, like a train off the track rail from the reality. So even though people lost thousands of dollars or millions of dollars, depending who they were, in the 2020 stock market crash, and hint, I believe, in my opinion, that more of the stock market is going to be crashing more. This is just the beginning of it. However, even at this phase, which is one of the biggest crashes we had, right, with millions and millions of people filing unemployment because of the shutdown and things of that nature, even in this phase of the 2020 stock market crash, people have lost their equities in stocks, which is a phantom gain. It has no direct relationship with JLB. However, when the house market melts down, which it will, in my opinion, because millions and millions of people are out of job and more will come. When the house market melts down, hundreds and thousands of companies will go under. From if you're a real estate agent, if you're a real estate broker, if you're a title policy, escrow, you name it. A lot of construction companies, home builders, and all these people actually, not only their stocks are going to go down, but they're actually going to be letting off people, Unlike the stock market, a company that's sound, they got a good product, they have good balance sheet, no debt, their stock market can crash 50%, but it doesn't mean that people are still not wanting to buy their ACs or their cars or whatever they're making, okay? Unlike the real estate market. So, this said, there's going to be the trickle down effect of mass spreads, like a shotgun effect. Bam, bam, shotgun effect, and it's spraying so many different industries and so many jobs that is going to cascade into, the greatest depression America has ever had. Okay, and it's coming, and we're already seeing the effects, and we're just waiting for it to be televised. Okay, we're just waiting for it to be televised. If you ask me, I believe it's already here. For months, I've been saying that there's so many motivated sellers out there since 2019. I was like, hey, it's the best time to be a real estate investor. Okay, now some of you guys may say, well, Mike. I don't have any money, Mike. I don't have any money to get in real estate. Well, then what you should do is download the new Flip. The new Flip, I show you how to take $100 and start a business where you can 200 to 700% of your money. In other words, you take $100 and you make $700, $697 in 4 days. Okay, you have a possibility. It may take you a little bit less. It may take you a little bit longer. But either way, all you need is $100 capital, no experience, no education, none of that stuff. Okay, all you gotta do is just follow my manual, follow my training course, follow the videos, and read the book, and that's all you need. You don't need a website, you don't need special tools, special skills, anything. Follow the instructions, put $100 in, and voila. It will take action, and it will take faith and belief system that it will work, because you may come on a gold mine, but unless you have a belief system that there's gold down there, you're not going to dig. And that's the whole key, is to have the right mindset. Okay, if you guys are more interested in working with me directly on capitalizing subject to deals, of capitalizing on owner financing, capitalizing on options, lease options, things of that nature, then I highly recommend joining my profit sharing. Go to mentoring, join my profit sharing right here. Okay, I'll work with you direct. Okay, one-on-one for 1 whole month. The price is $1,000. It's not for everyone. Okay, and with that, I'll also give you $9,500 worth of tools, your business tools, totally included or free. Again, when you join and you pay $3,000, I give you a gift of $9,500, which has basically a franchise in a bundle for you, from my offer letters to websites to be able to generate leads, to lead generation, to so many different things. It'll take forever for me to list them here, but go to this website, download it, read it. It's $3,000. We can get started right now. I'll help you do your first deal. We'll split the profits on one deal, 50-50. Again, $3K. It's not for everyone, but again, it's way cheaper than my normal coaching, which I charge about 50 grand, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the best deal I can give you for a very, very low price. Or you can go take these buses or go pay the 10, 20 grand to other places and not go do a deal. Or you can work with me one-on-one, and my interest is lined up with you, because on your first deal, we're going to split it 50-50. So I want to make sure you get that check so I can get that check. Got you guys. Thanks for watching. Click the like button. Don't forget about the new Flip. I only got one more left, guys, before the price changes. This is Mike with MrNoFlip.com. Don't take no for an answer. Remember, man, we're living the best time ever, guys. If you live in America, the greatest country ever, greatest opportunity in 100 years has came upon us, in my opinion. Not financial advice. And man, I am so excited, and I can't deny it, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.